Discover the magic of starting your day with a sprinkle of Stoic wisdom. Marcus Aurelius, a wise old soul, once talked about cherishing life's simple joys like breathing, thinking, feeling joy, and spreading love. But how do we embrace this profound gratitude for life each morning? Today we've got a special treat for you. A morning routine that'll kickstart your day with purpose and serenity, inspired by the timeless teachings of the Stoics. Habit number 1, embrace the transient nature of life. Stoic wisdom teaches us to understand and embrace the fleeting nature of everything around us. Before the hustle and bustle of the day begins, let's take a moment to soak in this profound truth. Find a peaceful spot where you can sit undisturbed. Sit comfortably, striking a balance between relaxation and attentiveness. Close your eyes and imagine the vastness of the universe. Picture stars twinkling into existence and fading away, galaxies swirling in an eternal cosmic dance. Amidst this grand spectacle, envision our planet as a tiny dot. Within this dot, contemplate the rise and fall of civilizations, the steadfastness of mountains, and the ever-changing flow of rivers. Now bring your focus closer to your own life, recognizing its fleeting nature in the grand tapestry of existence. This exercise isn't about diminishing our importance, but rather highlighting the preciousness and brevity of our time here. Understanding that life is fleeting serves as a powerful reminder of its preciousness. When we grasp the fleeting nature of time, we naturally prioritize what truly matters over trivial distractions and conflicts. Starting your day with this mindset sets the stage for navigating with purpose and clarity. This morning ritual isn't about dwelling on mortality with fear. Instead, it's about embracing the present moment with love, reverence, and action. As the wise Seneca once said, life is long if you know how to use it. By anchoring our mornings in this practice, we remind ourselves to live each day fully, meaningfully, and with grace. Habit number 2, dive into the depths of your mind. Journaling isn't just about jotting down events, it's a heart-to-heart conversation with yourself. It's a practice deeply rooted in Stoic wisdom, offering a space for reflection, grounding, and sometimes even a little soul cleansing. And guess what? It's a game changer. First things first, pick a journal that speaks to you. It could be a plain old notebook, a fancy diary, or even a digital document. This is your sanctuary, free from judgment and outside pressures, where your thoughts can roam wild and free. Every morning, kickstart your day by scribbling down whatever pops into your head, bits of dreams, lingering emotions from yesterday, or the excitement for what lies ahead. This initial brain dump is like sweeping away mental cobwebs, clearing the path for a fresh start. Now, on to gratitude. It's easy to get caught up in what we don't have, but Stoicism reminds us to cherish the present moment. Take a moment to jot down 3 things you're truly grateful for, whether it's the cozy embrace of a blanket, a friend's laughter, or simply the gift of another sunrise. Now that you've practiced gratitude, let's dive into a bit of self-reflection. Think about Stoic principles or personal challenges that are on your mind. Ask yourself some questions. Am I staying true to my values? Where did I let impulse take over instead of reason yesterday? How can I make today better? Remember, this isn't about beating yourself up, it's about understanding yourself better and growing from it. Next, it's time to set your intention for the day. Grab your journal and jot down a simple affirmation or commitment based on Stoic virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. This will be like your moral compass, guiding you through the twists and turns of the day ahead. And always keep in mind, your journal is like a reflection of your inner world. It's a tool, a buddy, a wise mentor. Just think, Marcus Aurelius, one of the big names in Stoicism, started his famous work Meditations as his own personal journal. It was his way of reinforcing Stoic principles, understanding his choices, and navigating the ups and downs of life. So, let your journal be your guide. Habit number 3, crafting your daily compass, intentions over goals. Let's talk about setting intentions versus setting goals. Both help us steer our ship, but they do so in different ways. Goals are like distant islands on the horizon. They focus on outcomes, achievements, and results, giving us something to strive for. Intentions, on the other hand, are like the stars guiding us through the night. They keep us grounded in the present moment, rooted in our values and the person we aim to be every day. Stoicism teaches us to distinguish between what's within our control and what's not. Goals often hinge on external factors which can sometimes be beyond our influence. Despite our best efforts, unexpected challenges may crop up along the way. But intentions? They're firmly in our grasp. They're daily reminders of our values, a deliberate choice about how we want to show up in the world, no matter what comes our way. After giving your mind a good stretch with some journaling, it's time to map out the kind of day you want to have. Instead of just thinking about what you need to get done, consider who you want to be throughout the day. Are you aiming to be patient, taking each moment as it comes? Maybe you want to be extra compassionate, knowing that everyone's fighting their own battles. Or perhaps you're feeling bold and brave, ready to tackle challenges head-on and step out of your comfort zone. Take a moment to jot down these intentions. They could be as simple as, today I'll be a better listener than a talker. I'll approach disagreements with empathy. Or, I'll carve out moments of calm in the middle of the madness. These aren't just tasks to tick off a list. They're little reminders of the kind of person you want to be. So go ahead, set your intentions, and let's make today amazing. As Seneca eloquently put it, it's not what you carry that matters, but how you carry it. And that's where intentions come in. They're like our trusty compass, guiding us through the twists and turns of each day. They're not just vague hopes, they're active choices that shape our thoughts, actions, and interactions. When you set daily intentions, you're not just aiming for specific outcomes. No, you're committing to embodying virtues, the qualities that make you the best version of yourself. It's not about what you achieve, but how you approach every moment, decision, and challenge. This shift in perspective, rooted in Stoic wisdom, ensures that no matter what curveballs life throws your way, you're anchored in your personal journey. Habit number 4, embrace growth through discomfort. In our modern world, comfort is often seen as the ultimate goal, a sign of progress and success. But the Stoics, wise souls that they were, knew better. They understood that constantly seeking comfort could actually stunt our personal growth. Instead, they urged us to embrace discomfort as a tool for building inner strength, resilience, and readiness for life's challenges. Take a cue from the Stoic philosopher Seneca, who suggested setting aside days to live simply, reminding yourself, if this is the condition I feared, how would I fare? It's not about seeking unnecessary pain, but rather about breaking free from reliance on external comforts and tapping into our own inner fortitude. So don't shy away from discomfort. Embrace it as a path to greater strength and self-discovery. As you kick off your day, think about ways to step out of your comfort zone. It doesn't have to be anything major. Simple acts can make a big difference. Maybe try taking a chilly shower to jolt your senses awake, reminding yourself of your inner strength to tackle whatever comes your way. Or challenge yourself by skipping your usual morning pick-me-up, showing yourself that your resilience doesn't rely on external boosts. You could also take time to reflect on past struggles or switch up your commute by walking or biking instead of driving. These practices help you stay present and appreciate the power of your own body as you push yourself a little further each day. So, embrace discomfort as a chance to grow stronger and more resilient. It's all part of the journey. Embracing discomfort isn't just about toughening up, it's about building resilience and gaining perspective. Firstly, these little discomforts act as daily workouts for our minds and spirits. By stretching ourselves in small ways each day, we're priming ourselves to handle life's bigger hurdles with grace and grit. Secondly, they help us see things in a new light. By occasionally giving up our creature comforts, we learn to appreciate them even more when they're there, and we understand that our happiness doesn't depend on them. So remember, stepping out of your comfort zone isn't punishment, it's empowerment. It's about tapping into your inner strength, letting go of what holds you back, and embracing a sense of freedom that comes from knowing your happiness isn't tied to external things. Habit number 5, embrace mindfulness and meditation. Let's talk about the power of mindfulness and meditation. While Stoicism and mindfulness come from different corners of the world, Stoicism from ancient Greece and mindfulness from Eastern traditions, they share a beautiful common ground, a focus on living with purpose and balance. The Stoics understood the importance of being present, recognizing that much of our suffering comes from dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. As Epictetus put it, it's not events that disturb people, but their judgments about those events. This reminds us that our perceptions shape our reality, and that there's immense power in being fully present in the here and now. Kickstart your morning with a special time for mindfulness or meditation. Now, this doesn't mean you have to sit cross-legged and chant, unless that's your thing. It's all about connecting with the present moment. Find a quiet spot, get comfy, and close those peepers. Bring your focus inward, starting with your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or the air flowing in and out of your nose. Your breath is like an anchor, keeping you rooted in the now. If your mind starts to wander, as it often does, gently guide it back to your breath without any judgment. Once you're settled, broaden your awareness to the sensations in your body. Feel the weight of your body on the chair or floor. Notice the temperature around you and the texture of your clothes against your skin. Just observe these sensations without getting caught up in stories about them. They're just there, no biggie. Then shift your focus to your thoughts and feelings, imagining them as leaves floating on a stream or clouds drifting by in the sky. The trick is to stay detached. You're watching, not participating. As you wrap up your meditation, remember the Stoic wisdom of separating events from our interpretations of them. Take a moment to reflect on a Stoic principle or quote, maybe something like Marcus Aurelius's powerful words. The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Let this insight sink in, guiding your thoughts and actions as you step into the day ahead. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your morning routine isn't just about finding peace. It's a powerful Stoic practice. It helps you appreciate the here and now, understand the difference between what happens and how you react, and build inner strength to face life's ups and downs with grace. Habit number 6. Revisit Stoic teachings. The timeless wisdom of Stoicism provides a roadmap for living a life of resilience and purpose. But it's not enough to just read these teachings once and move on. They're like seeds that need consistent nurturing to grow within us and shape our daily lives. So every morning, take time to dive into the teachings of the Stoic masters. Whether it's the profound reflections of Marcus Aurelius, the comforting letters of Seneca, or the practical advice of Epictetus, make it a ritual to immerse yourself in their words. But don't just read them casually. Approach them with respect and purpose, allowing their wisdom to sink deep into your soul. To begin, let serendipity be your guide. Perhaps you'll randomly select a passage from a Stoic text or turn to a dedicated daily meditation book. This spontaneous approach often leads to stumbling upon wisdom that feels perfectly timed for your current situation or the day ahead. Once you've landed on a passage, take a moment to truly absorb it. Read it slowly and attentively, allowing each word and idea to sink in. Reflect on its meaning, visualize its message, and contemplate its significance. How does this wisdom connect with your life? What universal truths does it echo? Take your time to ponder these questions and let the insights sink in. After taking time to contemplate, you might feel compelled to capture your thoughts on paper. Journaling isn't just about writing. It's a mindful process of translating ancient wisdom into your own personal truth. As you pen your reflections, you may uncover new insights, connecting the teachings to recent experiences or envisioning how they'll shape upcoming events. Yet Stoicism isn't merely about thought, it's about action. The true essence of this morning ritual lies in putting these teachings into practice. If today's lesson speaks of life's fleeting nature, let it inspire you to savor every moment. If it reminds you of the insignificance of others' opinions, wear it as armor against unnecessary criticism or praise. Each Stoic teaching is a call to action, a reminder to infuse your day with virtue and wisdom. So reflect, journal, and then go forth and live it out. If you're lucky enough to have friends or a community to share your Stoic journey with, consider discussing these teachings with them. Having these conversations, exchanging personal insights, and hearing different perspectives can enrich your understanding and create a sense of growth within your group. Ultimately, revisiting Stoic teachings each morning isn't just about reading, it's about renewing your commitment to living consciously, purposefully, and virtuously. As the Stoics teach us, true learning isn't just about grasping concepts, it's about embodying and living out the wisdom in our daily lives. So let's learn, share, and grow together on this journey of self-discovery and growth. Habit number 7. Embrace your fate. The practice of amor fati. In the rich tapestry of Stoic philosophy, there's a shining principle that stands out. Amor fati, the love of one's fate. It's a concept both deeply profound and beautifully simple. But it's not about resigning ourselves passively to whatever happens. It's about embracing life's twists and turns with passion, whether they bring us joy or sorrow, victory or challenge. Every morning, As the sun rises and a new day begins, we're also faced with life's uncertainties. Plans may fall through, dreams may be shattered, or unexpected hurdles may crop up. And in those moments, Amor Fati calls out to us. It's an invitation not just to accept, but to wholeheartedly love whatever life throws our way. Picture this. Instead of feeling trapped when tough times hit, you're suddenly free. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" you're saying, "How can I grow from this?" Or even declaring, "This is exactly what I needed." It's not about ignoring the heaviness of challenges. It's about finding the bright side, the lessons, and the inner strength they bring. To practice Amor Fati in the mornings, take a moment to mentally prep for the day ahead. Think about any obstacles you might face. But don't see them as roadblocks. See them as opportunities chosen just for you by the universe to shape who you are. And remember the wise words of Marcus Aurelius, "The obstacle is the way." In the embrace of Amor Fati, every moment, big or small, is like a stroke of paint on the canvas of our lives. It's a powerful reminder that we're not just passengers on the ride of fate. We're active creators who have the power to turn every situation into a chance for growth, wisdom, and thankfulness. As you step into your day, carry this philosophy with you like a guiding star. Let Amor Fati lead you through storms with strength, through sunny days with appreciation, and always onward with a deep love for the adventure of life. Stoic wisdom isn't about bottling up emotions or leading a life of strict rules. It's about understanding life's essence, focusing on what we can control, and building a fortress of tranquility within ourselves. While these 7 practices provide a structured roadmap, let Stoicism flow through your life, adapting to your unique needs and circumstances. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy." Don't let negativity or turmoil disrupt your inner peace. So, which of these practices will you weave into your morning routine? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you found value in this video and I appreciate your presence here. Until next time, embrace these Stoic teachings and watch as they enrich your mornings, your days, and ultimately, your entire life.